engaging, and learner-centered. This curriculum focuses on building real-life skills, and I am excited to bring that into our classrooms. As a leader, I now feel more equipped to support my teachers and guide them in aligning their teaching with the new curriculum. This training did not only give us knowledge, it gave us direction, motivation, and a renewed sense of purpose. I am grateful for this opportunity, and I look forward to applying what I've learned in our school for the benefit of our learners. My co-participant, please join me in saying this. Sabi kasi ni Doc SDS, ilagay daw natin sa ating puso ang ating mga kamay, literal,